Video is about how to use Google Drive and Basecamp. And this is how the Google Drive of info.gramiksha looks like, and it is connected to each and every Google Drive of all the cities. So first you have the rules and regulations, you have the terms and conditions, you have all the important presentations, bylaws of Gramiksha. Then you have the quarterly targets where all the quarterly reports are uploaded, meeting minutes, letters of appointments, recommendation letters, and everything. Department support toolkit, which is very useful if you're stuck somewhere. First thing that I would advise you to use the support toolkit. For example, this is the HR package, and you can see how to conduct a recruitment, induction, what happens when somebody joins Gramiksha, recruitment guidelines, everything. You have the proper orientation kit of Gramiksha. So you don't have to go anywhere or prepare anything this time. You already have it for you, right? How to increase volunteer involvement like this. So similarly, you have it for all other departments. Then you have the department reports. So if I have to see what is Operation Gramiksha Gwalior is doing, I can see it. And this is visible to the operations team and Niveshi, of course. And all the reports are here. I can see whenever I want. If I want to make a proposal of street meet, I can just take the data and work on it easily. I have a separate folder for project wise reports also, where all the reports till now of all the projects are uploaded. For example, project Udan, so many reports are there. And this is the city heads report where you have to, it's the folder where you have to upload your reports. If you see Param has uploaded some report, Jaipur annual report, I can see it, right? And Karthik is new. Karthik can also see what Param did last year, right? So this is how Google Drive work. And one more thing, I just forgot. And one more thing, for example, if you see owner of the folder, it's Sahil Bhalla. So if Sahil leaves Gramiksha by any chance, and after some months, if he decides to delete his folder from the Google Drive, then it will be removed from here as well. So what you need to do is, please pay attention on this. You need to ask the person to change the ownership and give the ownership rights to info.gramiksha. So that's one thing. So this is all about Google Drive. Next is about Basecamp, and this is how the camp of Gramiksha A teams look like, and these are the people with whom the Basecamp is shared with. First is message board. So all the chats and discussions are stored under one topic. So let's see, for example, Simona, she has asked that she proposes the idea of having a communications manager, and then she is asking everyone to vote. So only two people have voted till now, but it is very convenient and easy because the chats are stored under their under the relevant topics, and we can make decisions more effectively and faster, right? Next we have to-do list. So we still need to add to-dos for quarter 2, and if you see, we have added a lot of targets for Q1, and then these are the completed targets. I can also see what's overdue. So we have a lot of stuff still overdue, and some stuff like budget is like 66 days overdue. That's a lot of time. If I have to make a budget, I can make it in an hour, to be very honest, but still it took like so much time. Next, if I have to see what someone has been up to, for example, let's see what Aradhika has been doing. Run a new report. So that's what Aradhika has been doing. She has been quite active on Basecamp, but let's see what she needs to do now. So let's see, run a new report. So she has these targets still pending, and that's a lot of targets. Most of them are overdue by now. So what Aradhika can do is just click on Sister School, edit, and extend the deadline, right? Because this is already over and it doesn't look good to have so many pending work, right? So that's all about to-dos and reports. Here you can make new events, campfire if you want to convey something to everyone. That's the place. Automatic check-in. So this is something very personal and very friendly tool, because you can share something which is non-Gramiksha work related, also something that inspired you, right? If you're blocked on anything, please do not keep quiet. Write it so that people, the concerned people, they can know that yes, this guy is having some problem and might need some more time. So it will save follow-up time, right? So please work on this, and then you can also write what are you working on, right? You don't have to flaunt your work, but you can just tell the team what you are working on. And since it's the A team, I don't expect anyone to be inactive for a long time, right? And I think everyone is working on something, so it will be easier. Next, you have docs and files, and this is related to Google Drive as well, and everything is in place. So that's how Basecamp works. Please use it. Very friendly tool. One thing is I left is pings. You can even chat individually with people if you don't want to chat on the group. So that's about the training session.